Morning guys, Ed Shed, we're here. It is a Sunday night in, I don't know, August they told me, I don't know what it is, and I'm working on doing my homemade crossmember, homemade chassis legs and homemade repairs on this Mark II. Now I know this, you didn't see this one coming, you never saw that I was going to be doing a Mark II, but I am. I'm only doing it because we need to do it. I need to get it done. So I'm doing it in conjunction with my blue Mark II, which is in the doors repairing, and therefore I'm repairing the doors of this at the same time. And I have got to say, now this is what I've got to say, is I was looking at something said to me and said, you've got adverts in your videos, so you're doing this for money. And I said, well, I'd like to, but I haven't put any adverts for money. I'm not a monetized channel. And when we looked at the terms and conditions of the YouTube channel, it seems they can put advertisement videos on your videos anytime they want, and I don't get anything. So I know this is going to sound a bit like sort of sour grapes, but the reality of that is that it makes people not want to watch the videos anyway, because you haven't got enough subscribers, and therefore they're actually sabotaging you from doing anything at all in relation to how do you break the cycle. I mean, I don't know. I mean, look, whatever you do, they're now putting adverts in my older videos, and they've caught up with one of the Aston Martin videos, and those Aston Martin videos are 3 years old, so that's something from you know, that car still runs and drives, but it's not 100% finished, brake problem. And this thing's an interloper, and the shed roof has made this thing important because I need to get on its wheels. But I am a bit hacked off that YouTube can change their terms and conditions anytime they want to actually handicap you from making your channel grow or making your channel get anywhere, realistically. And yet they're putting adverts on my videos and give me nothing, which I think is what sort of makes me think that's not right. I don't know. You tell me in the comments what you think. I mean they are, you know, they seem to be wanting to kick you when you know, there must be plenty of people with more subscribers or views than me that they could put adverts in their channels, because I don't know whether people find my videos interesting. I don't know. I mean, whether you want to see what I'm doing or whether you're interested. But if you were interested, do you want to watch a bloody advert? Because I really don't. Not at the moment. And I find it really annoying that they can do that. So this is just a video to point out that no, I haven't monetized my channel. No, I don't get any money from those bloody revenue that those adverts they're putting on. No, I have no control over what adverts they put on my videos, which also annoys me. And it also makes you go, they're making so much money out of their established channels that they can actually take off subscribers if you haven't watched any videos, which is really quite interesting. So if you haven't watched any of the people you subscribe to in a period of time, they can delete you as a subscriber, which means that the revenue that some of these people have been receiving is getting slashed. Hence you see loads of these people going, oh, we're going to start doing videos again. Well, that's great, but the reality of it is that I do the videos because I want to on the cars I'm trying to do for myself. And my idea was, you know, was to put them out there for you if you're interested in watching. And you know, yeah, fine, it'd be lovely if I could make some money out of it. It would give me money to spend on the cars. But eBay don't seem to want to do that game. They want to sort of go, well, you've had 500 views. Oh, well, we're going to put adverts on your channel. We're going to start putting adverts on your videos, which means that with the number of subscribers I've got, the numbers of views I've got, they're doing it because of the views, nothing to do with the subscribers, which isn't fair. And I do believe that, you know, it is not right, and it isn't going to make me stop, but I'll tell you what it's making me. It's making me get really hacked off with the fact that Monopolies Commission, and there must be some other channel that you could do that actually plays fair with these videos, because this isn't right. You can't tell me that with someone who has got minimal views. I mean, I'm talking like, you know, maybe 100 views per video and maybe 50, 60, 70 views. That they want to put adverts in my channel. Why? That makes no sense to me. Pick on someone else, for God's sake, YouTube, please. Because my views I'm grateful for them. And I hope the people that watch it are enjoyed it. But if you've got to watch 2 adverts back to back before you can even see my channel, I wonder whether you'd actually do it. I think the hardcore viewers would, but I really am hacked off with that. So that's my little rant and rave. Lee's gone on a holiday for 2 weeks, so uploads could be pretty scant. So we're going to say, I'm going to do this one as one I hope he's going to put on, but I'll show you what I've done. And YouTube can put some bloody adverts on. Let's hope they're good ones. So I'm coming over here now. I'm going to take you off the old tripod. Right. So there's. Someone said, "Oh yeah, your camera moves around too much." It does on those Aston Martin videos because they are over 3 years old. So I'm going to take you around here now and show you what I've been doing. And this is a homemade crossover. Homemade. Everything's homemade. I've still got to grind off, clean up a little bit. I'm not going to put that back in. I'm going to clean it off and leave that out. If I want to put one in there, I'm going to put an aluminium patch in there. It's the exhaust side, not going to matter. Had to repair all this, had to repair all that, had to repair this, had to repair that. Got that, and it's done to the front. So, looking pretty good. Now, we're going to move you and show you this. This is the side I haven't actually done. This is what I want to finish tonight before I pack it in and buy a pickup. So I'm going to try and get this patch into here, joined up and finished, and clean this up, and then that can stay, right? From the inside, I'm going to take the inside so you can see a horror of the inside. The inside's pretty good. Again, needs a bit of a cleaning up. These have come out nice. This has come out nice. That's come out nice. That one was completely rotted away and fell off. This is all played from the back, so this from the front. I'm going to clean it off and maybe just fiberglass it. Again, here, this is all right. That's all right. I've repaired that on the inside. I'm going to tap that back and get to it and then do a bit of weld down there. And I'm going to put a patch in there and leave this panel open. I've obviously got a lot of crap to clear off because this thing was Zybarted, would you believe? Zybart. Remember that one? Yeah, it didn't work very well. So this is just a sort of annoying video because what annoys me about it is that I didn't want to be doing this. I really didn't. I had plenty more things I wanted to do. But I figured if I don't do it while I'm here doing it, I won't do it. So the roof leak has actually helped make it a bit more of a priority to get it done, get it down its wheels. So we're going to say that, you know, this thing is, it's never going to be factory, and it's never going to be a concourse winner. But as long as it works, I think it'll be all right. And she's actually not she's not a bad old girl inside. I mean, she's pretty good, to be honest. I know I need to make something here to go down there, which I'm going to do. And I've got the outriggers to do, hence the outriggers missing. But that's not going to be an issue. All we're doing is bracing it up and making it look the part. Crow's feet at the end here, I've got, but I'm not going to make them yet. The simple reason is I haven't got the front bumper sorted. These are sorted and this is sorted, so that's pretty good. And down there, as you can see, that engine mount broke off. I had to take that off anyway. That one, I'm going to grind back on and get it on. But yeah, so this is a sort of thing that, you know, hey, I didn't want to do it. This came in, I've done it. I'm doing it because I'm going to make some doors for the other one. And the doors that don't go on the other one go on this one. And this one is going to have possibly a little bit of time spent on it. And it's going to have some mods. I'm going to use all the crap I didn't use on the other one. So, yeah. Yeah, watch and wait. We'll see. Tempted to seriously say that those triangles don't seem to do much. And I don't think they need to be in there. So, I'm going to take them out. I may well put a bit of like reinforcement on down the chassis leg to where I've taken it out. We'll see. I don't think it needs it because I put enough reinforcement everywhere. So we'll see how that goes. But for now, if you can make a video of this, Lee. I'm going to make my own outriggers up. I'm going to make some 4x2 outriggers. And I'm just going to join them in because you can see they are missing, look. But the floor has actually been welded up, so that's going to be good. So yeah, I'm not going to say that this is going to be a concourse, but I'll tell you what it's going to be. It's going to be another one that runs and drives. What engine? Well, we'll see. 4.2, 4 litre. There's a thought. 4 litre, supercharged. No, I know what you're thinking. It won't fit. Yeah, alright, okay, it might fit. We'll see. Anyway, so for the minute, I'm going to turn you off there, guys, and say thanks for watching. Remember, time's precious. Sunday night, nothing else happening. We're out here, and the roof's still leaking, and I just want to do something. So if I get this finished, I'm going to get this finished tonight, so that will all be cleared. You won't see that, and then I can take this thing out, and then I can possibly put the front suspension back in. So for now, I hope you're enjoying it. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you sort of got the mission out of what I said about YouTube. Because I'll tell you what, they are not on your side, that's for bloody certain. Anyway, so like, subscribe, follow me about, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.